Hey, this is Darren with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics in Jacksonville, Florida. We are working on a 2021 Alpina B7 BMW. We went ahead and did a Escort Passport Radar system in here. You can see we have the rear sensor mounted right there above the tag. And then coming to the front here, we got the radar sensors mounted like right up in here in this area here. That can actually go through the plastic. And then down at the bottom here, we have the two laser jammers. So you have to make sure that those are basically flat this way, level that way, and level this way. And then they have to be perpendicular to the front of the car. And then coming inside here, we basically did the display right up here, and then we put the controls right here, and then the little LED is right underneath here. We kind of sandwiched that between the dash. That way there's no holes or anything drilled in the car, so it came out pretty clean. So if you're in Jacksonville, give us a call, 904-333-2322. Check us out on Instagram. We're on Atlantic Boulevard.